Hello everyone. Today I want to show you about the function create points on plan from a section view. We can click uh, point on section view, and we need to know elevation on section view on plan. I click point Civil3D and create point a function. You can see a form show message box. We can have style CogoPoint and label CogoPoint. I choose elevation only. We can write description for CogoPoint and create label at pick. We can pick point on section view or select polyline. The first I will pick point and a command select section on section view. I will click existing ground survey on section view and click by section view, and I will pick point. I want to now elevation at here. Example the next up here. If you want to finish and you can see click a label on section view, and I will check on plan. You can see elevation created point, that point, and the second I will to create a point line on section view. I will create point line. And I click try again the function create point of plan. I choose a style and elevation only, create label a pick, and to select polyline. And the first I select section on view and click by section view, and we to click polyline, and the message box show have 5 created 5 points. And you can see there label on polyline, and I will zoom to our plan. You can see 5 points created on plan as section view, as sample line. Thank you for watching.